J is for Joker. J is for Jug.
Well done!
Tap the picture that starts with letter M. M is for mouse. M is for mango.
Well done!
Tap the picture that starts with letter T. T is for turtle. T is for train.
Well done!
Tap the picture that starts with letter X. X is for X-ray. X is for xylophone.
Well done!
Tap the picture that starts with letter Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zip.
Well done!
Tap the picture that starts with letter L. L is for lion. L is for lamp.
Well done!
Tap the picture that starts with letter H. H is for helicopter. H is for horse.
Well done!
Tap the picture that starts with letter C. C is for cat. C is for cake.
Well done!
Tap the picture that starts with letter V. V is for violin. V is for van.
Well done!
Tap the picture that starts with letter D. D is for dog. D is for drum.
Well done!
Tap the picture that starts with letter N. N is for nest. N is for net.
Well done!
starts with letter I.
Woo!
I is for ice cream. I is for iron.
Well done.
Tap the picture that starts with letter B.
Woo!
B is for ball. B is for butterfly.
Well done.
Tap the picture that starts with letter S.
Woo!
S is for sun. S is for sheep.
Well done.
Tap the picture that starts with letter F.
Woo!
F is for flower. F is for frog.
Well done.
Tap the picture that starts with letter Y.
Woo!
Y is for yak. Y is for yarn.
Well done.
Tap the picture that starts with letter Q.
Woo!
Q is for quail. Q is for queen.
Well done.
Tap the picture that starts with letter P.
Woo!
P is for parrot. P is for pencil.
Well done.
Tap the picture that starts with letter A.
Woo!
A is for apple. A is for ant.
Well done.
Tap the picture that starts with letter O.
Woo!
O is for orange. O is for owl.
Well done.
Tap the picture that starts with letter R.
Woo!
R is for rocket. R is for rabbit.
Well done.
Tap the picture that starts with letter W.
Woo!
W is for whistle. W is for watermelon.
Well done.
Bye, friends. See you again.